Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. So yesterday Arsenal played the MLS All-Stars and Arsenal defeated them 5-0. You get, so I look for where I go watch the match, try, see, I later get them. Even Organic side even send me a link and where I go take watch the match for Apple. But more the thing called the break one kind. So last night now score 808. Now I take check them and I later share the link to our community for Facebook to make everybody see where to watch them. And I believe some of them take advantage of the link and watch them. Now let's get back to the match. So 5 minutes before you know, Gabriel Jesus don't bust net. So Gabriel Jesus scored, Trossard scored, Jorginho scored penalty, Kai Havertz scored. I don't forget to be the fifth person. So one of that person said the Trossard scored. Yeah. So we had a fantastic game. Although for me personally, the pitch no really makes sense like that. I was expecting the pitch to be like high quality, but because the ball they bounce up and down. The way the pitch I don't really like him. So I just watch the boys. I don't really watch all the match. You get now later this morning when I wake up, I can't watch like the highlights, but I watch the first half. But the second half mostly don't catch me. I don't feel I'm again. I just go sleep. So I couldn't watch everything. So as I woke up this morning, that's why the show they come out late. Because I got sleep now, I know the robot. So as I woke up, I just go check the highlights. 5-0. Surprise. What's happening? I can't check all the goals, can't see everything. And I don't even watch Declan Rice playing, but from reports I hear say he didn't do well. So even Kai Havertz he had a fantastic game. So for me personally, everything they go away according to plan. Alright, so after the match, for the media setting, they ask Arteta about Declan Rice. Say, I didn't see the performances of Declan Rice, a player that made you cough out £105 million. So Arteta one day of the opinion said Declan Rice had a nice game that he gives us that physicality that we've been missing for a very, very long time. You get, so another thing we're going to talk is say Declan Rice is like a lighthouse. He's going to improve other players within near him. You get, so they're going to improve and give us that defensive stability where we they lack. You get that physical presence in the middle of the park. It is very, very important. And look at yesterday, we win 5-0. We kept a clean sheet down ourselves. Now another thing why they look forward to. I was very, very happy with that clean sheet. So the first match done and dusted. So we look at the matches we will play against Manchester United and Barcelona. You get before Monaco and Man City. We'll see how it will be. And if you watch the match, you'll see the way Arteta they set up now. Arteta they use Kiwior as the new Zinchenko. Kiwior they enter midfield, they do what Zinchenko they do. I don't know whether some of you observe that thing. Yes. Now another thing on the bust my brain be say, what happened to Kylian Tierney? Because as Arteta only focus on this Kiwior, it shows that Kylian Tierney may likely leave Arsenal, or maybe there's I don't know, maybe a relationship with Arteta not they okay again. Because what you want to tell me now? She didn't get injury. I mean, what's really the problem? Now, what thing I don't really understand, because as they use Kiwior from last season, the last 2-3 matches of last season, they only try Kiwior for that left back position. Now this new season, he continue the trend, keep playing the guy. So what I'm saying now is, they exploit the guy's versatility as a left-sided centre back. If he also play as a right-sided centre back, to now play him in the left full-back role, so that the guy going to do that inverted full-back role, pyramid, enter that midfield. So that's what I'm saying. Well, we'll just go watch. I don't know how they observe all these things as me, I observe. Alright, another thing wey I observe for the match na Kai Havertz. You see, I can beat my chest and tell you people say Kai Havertz, this guy will shock a lot of people for this season when they come, because people they laugh at for that MLS skills challenge, saying no, if you do volley. Look at the kind of goal he scored. Okay, Marquinhos cross the ball, he just chest him down, wipe him. Now this is a volley now. He wipe him and he score. He gets, so you don't need like silence and criticism. Even Declan Rice, that's come out after the match. Come post for social media when they thank Kai Havertz, say for scoring his first Arsenal goal. And I know that this kind of goals when score will give him the confidence, will build on that momentum and try to score more. Even look at Gabriel Jesus' goal. What a fantastic! I think that goal should be the goal of the night, because look at from that outside angle when they wipe that thing, just snap back, enter. Yes, nobody saw that coming. So Gabriel Jesus, he don't come, the sharpness is coming back. Yes, so all the woes, all the issues that happened last season, it don't go away. Yes, and this was how hot he was for this immediate past season and the pre-season of that one. That was how hot it was. Scoring goals are plenty. This time around, it don't continue from where it stopped. So I just very, very happy to say he don't find the scoring boots and make it just continue like that. Who says he's not going to be prolific this season? Anything can happen. So let's just be watching. Now, away from that, so for the media set, they want to interview Timber. They want to ask him, say, I feel where teams like Liverpool, teams like Manchester United were really hot on his heels. They really want to sign him, but he don't really look that side. So he can talk, say, Everly, say him na Arsenal fan, so. And many people they come for him, making no lie, so. But he choose Arsenal because he identify Arsenal project as a project where he would like to be part of. Because when you check, majority of the squad, they are very young and they are growing, and he would like to grow with them. And when you look at the things Arsenal have been doing in the past, they've been doing very well. But last season, they took a major step, according to him. They took a major step to enter the second place and do the title challenge. So this season, we are trying to see what we can achieve. So when you see that project, and when the project they go in the best league in the world, come on, it's easy to carry second with the best league in the world. So as you see that project, he said no, I must be part of the project. That was right for him. It was Arsenal or nothing. Alright, so Arteta said when they ask him for the media set, they say I take see the 5-0 where we actually play. So Baba Koto say yes, say we really play very well, and they're happy for the fans. Arsenal fans will really come to the stadium. Even some people they wait for them for their hotel room. A lot of people were outside the stadium cheering them. Like just they delighted, and the fans they support the boys. And as the boys he can talk about Saka had knock, so even I think Trossard had a knock too. But he say no really thinks that something would be serious to keep them out. I think they indicate that too. They say they get knocked because at the point the match became kind of physical. Too many yellow cards flying out. It's supposed to be friendly, but at the end of the day, even commentators said this is an exhibition match. Don't pass friendly because the MLS players are trying to prove to the world that our brand is strong. Because we are talking about the MLS All-Stars. You get All-Stars. 9 chop 5-0. If it's not 1-0 the chop, and people say yes, at least they are still very strong. But to chop 5-0 is kind of embarrassing. But it is what it is. They're trying to promote their own brand. Whereas we say if they try to get fit, so that the competition will be very strong to prepare us for the new season. That be our own aims and ambition. Whereas them, they just want to promote their brand. If they say that them flog us 5-0 now, they have to say yes, MLS, we are very strong. We defeated the second best team in the EPL. So by the end of the day, the reverse was the case, and we knocked them. That's it tomorrow, no day. Alright, today is actually my birthday, so I wish myself all the best things life has to offer. So the lines fall in place for me. So many things there to talk, many things. Maybe later I will do a video and just talk about this my GFL TV journey. A lot of things there to talk, but just today is my birthday. I just pray for long life and prosperity, and may God allow me to achieve all my goals in Jesus' name, and inshallah, amen. Alright, for the media space, they're going to ask Arteta about Havertz. So, because the guy scored a volley and he did very well. So Arteta going to let us know something. So, means if I don't talk in the past, say, this Havertz we see. This guy brings something different to the table. There are sometimes when some opposition will use high press against you and you want to beat that high press. So you take advantage of his height. He helps you to beat the high press, just like Haaland helps Man City to beat a lot of high press. If you watch when Arsenal play against Man City, they were playing a lot of long balls to beat our press. Long balls to him. So we said now the same thing we want to try to do with Havertz to give us a different dimension. Our style of play shouldn't be predictive. People are supposed to just be predictive. So we're supposed to bring different dimensions. And Baba Talk say, although we plan to use him primarily in our midfield, but moving forward, we are going to explore his versatility and play him in other positions as games may request. So now what's I talk? So the first thing be midfielder, nobody expecting that they will play him. Time will come, we say they will need to play him as a target man in the number 9 role, even with Gabriel Jesus. Time will come, so we need to go bad. I go there for a lot of cross and all. So I thought I just explained everything, and myself I understand that. Like I already said in the beginning, Kai Havertz is going to shock a lot of people this season. Mark my words. Alright guys, Odegaard and Edin Ketia also come and say they're very happy for Falari Balogun. So the guy is back to Arsenal. They wish him the best in his career. So they're just very happy because we need all the legs we can get for this challenge, title challenge won't put in next season. So we'll just see how everything will go. Now until I see the list of players where I think I will register for the new season, and then I will know who and who will still there for Arsenal, who and who will still there, because a lot of people are in limbo. They never really know whether they're part of the squad or they are not part of the squad. Looking at Gary and saying, a lot of names, but let's just see how everything will end here at the end of the day. Alright, so Charles Watts also come as I call the talk, say if no offer come for Nicolas Pepe, say Arsenal they willing to tear up in contract. This is something we've known for a long while. Say okay, if nobody comes for like Arsenal don't want to make the guy did for their wage bill. So they've given him the chance. They are praying and they are hoping that the Saudi Arabian links, their interest, say it makes sense and it come to fulfillment. Say it happen. If that road no clear, they're ready to tear contract because the guy is like supposed to require. This is the same Pepe that was signed from Lille in the French league. Pepe scored 22 goals and made 11 assists, which was why we bought him. Look at Pepe today. Pepe is a shit packer. No club in the world is even looking for him. When they say French league na shit, people they say why because of the 22 goals he scored and 11 assists he made. That was why we bought him and we rejected Zaha. You get? If says Zaha scored plenty goals like 20 something goals, this will reject Zaha when you go by Pepe. Look at us today. We are suffering from that kind of decision. But it is what it is. Alright, Aaron Ramsdale self come as I call it and say Arsenal will surprise people in Champions League. So he was having an interview with TNT Sports. So for that interview, they're going to ask him a lot of things about the Arsenal's objective. Because if I want to play the Champions League and make sure we still play the Champions League next season, that is our aim and objective. And this Champions League we won't play. I always say it here. We want to give a good showing. We don't just want to add to the bodies, add to the numbers, get kicked out and go and play Europa League. No, we want to qualify from the group stage, qualify from the next round, and see where it takes us to. And it's even easier to win the Champions League than to win the EPL. That matter of fact, you don't even play up to 15 matches for the Champions League. You get, unless maybe next season format it will be like a league format. That one will change everything. You get, but no matter this one, many games they play now compared to when you are playing 38 matches in the EPL. So that's the thing. Here for Champions League, you need a bit of luck. You get, so if you face some kind of big teams, if you face some kind of small team, other people if you face big team, you will face small team. But for the EPL, everybody they play the same people. At the end of the day, we'll see who accumulated the most points. That's the difference. So, my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click out so that you'll get all Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So, start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I came out.